So any website we can using for heading tags. Why I'm using for heading tags? Heading tags main reason is called your SEO purpose. H1 tag is a pick up the primary keyword. That is called maybe domain name or keyword name. Domain name or keyword name. Any website H1 tag we can use only for one. More than H1 tag we can use the option call is error. The option call is error. So any H1 tag we can use on your website. The H1 tag is only using for how many? One. So if you're using more than H1 tags, what happened? There's a question. If you're using more than H1 tag, they're showing for apostrophe mark. They're using more than H1 tags above one. Any one H1 tag that is called best for your website. So how to writing for my H1 tags? How to identify? That will write will be like this. H1 will be open, H1 will be close. H1 will be open, H1 will be close. Now coming to here, your website. So I am writing for this option. Now go to your cPanel, click for file manager. Now I'm checking my website which how many H1 tags are there. Go to public underscore HTML. In this one, Control U on your page source, Control F, H1. See this one. Total how many H1 tag? One. Only for one only. Why? I'm writing only for one H1 tag. Means that is my domain name. That is my domain name. That we will writing for in this option. Is it clear? This is called we can using for H1 tag. So I'm not using this one. Here will be using for H1 tag also. A new world of the enjoyment with the fitness. In this we can writing for new world of the season indoor swimming. It's called for best health purpose. We can writing for any H1 tag will be free for. In a total of H1 to H6 of heading tags, H1 we can use only for one on your website. That is called we can writing will be like this H1 tag. Where you can use for H1, where you can for H2, that is will be using for this image. You can see one. Please write down. It's all options. As to H1 size, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 along with the syntax. So here, based on requirement writing for this kind of header tags, the code will be like this. H1 to open, H1 to close. Please write down the code also. This is mandatory. Only important notice is called each web page H1 tag only using for one. More than H1 tag will be called errors. That always will be considered by your SEO. H1 tag is called your keyword or your domain name is a mandatory for all the search engine purpose.